Hi guys, check it out. So here we are at another fish market. This is an inside fish market, okay? So let's see over here. This fish over here is catavinga. Okay, the fillet would be $39 per kilo, okay? Or $20 per pound. All right, so the fish over here is really beautiful, but seems to be a little bit more than outside. Okay, let's see over here. This is lax, which is salmon. This is $40 per kilo, or 20. Let's just cut in half. 20 per pound. $20 per pound of salmon. Let's see this tuna fish, tunfisk, okay, in their language, tunfisk. It is $94 per kilo, okay, $94 per kilo, okay. You divide that by half to get in pounds. That's not so cheap, okay. But what I see here, the quality of the fish is outstanding, fresh. The only thing they need to do is to jump, because it seems that they were just caught all the way through over there. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So this is just to give you an idea of how much things cost over here, the price. Okay, we have shrimp. What is this over here? Lobster. I think it's a lobster. Wow, or maybe like a big shrimp. And this is lobster. Okay? This is the bacalao. Okay, here is a good example of the bacalao because it's salted. Okay, and here in Norway or Iceland, but Norway here, right? The head of the fish, you see the head of the fish over there? They are able to export that and make a lot of money. These people over here, they don't play, guys. They make money out of everything. Okay, so this is a beautiful restaurant we have over there on the back. Get out of the way. On the back over there, people are eating, okay, and they are having a good time, and I'm just walking and trying to catch some beautiful, look at that over there, beautiful. I never saw a fish market like this. People are working, cleaning for you, you don't need to worry. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe and give me some likes. Okay, bye.